G'day guys, Dave Myers from Finnralia, working over here in Finland. We're in the centre of Helsinki and we're doing this project here which is Linnunlaulu. And there was no way I could send in a scaffold crew to set up and get the job ready. We had to come in with the lagoon and set the place up, get it safe so that then we can set in the scaffolders to do their job. Wherever possible, Finnralia, we like to support Finnish industry. The Leguan Lift is the right tool for the job. I can move it wherever I want around the project. I can set it up so easy. Automatic leveling system, absolutely spectacular. The legs come down, levels itself up, 2.22 seconds, I'm ready to go back up onto the job and get the task done. The Leguan has got the tightest swing out of all other brands. I only do 2 jobs, anything and everything. Here on this one, dropping these trees down, get them ready for the scaffolders when they come in. If you want to come back down, you just press the home button. You jump out of the basket, you have your cup of coffee, you have a break, you get back into the basket, and you go back to work with one switch. If I'm a little bit out of position once I get up in the air, it is so easy to just hit that home button, get me back down, lift the legs up, and I can move everything, the whole location, while I'm standing in the basket. You can put this unit on the back of the trailer and you can tow with a normal 4-wheel drive car. I've had a lot of experience with a lot of different machines. This is by far the easiest to get control of. We've tried the rest, now we've tried the best.